Hi, this video is about the Nova 330 transport chair. So I'm going to show you the quick and easy assembly and then the great features and benefits. So first you've got to take it out of the box. I'm going to show you how to do that. So go ahead and remove the box with the footrest. And then I find it easiest by just putting the box on its side, and then you can just roll the transport chair right out. So much easier than lifting it out of the box. All right, so the 330 transport chair is fully assembled. You just have to open it up. Go ahead and open the arms up and just give the upholstery seat just a little bit of push. And then you're going to pull up the backrest, and you're going to hear it click and lock in place. Now all you have to do is put on the footrest. So there is a right and a left, and you're going to want to make sure that the foot plate faces inward. So here is the left one. There are two hangers, and these hangers are going to go over two pins that are on the frame. Go ahead and put the hangers over the pins, and then you're going to swing inward and you're going to hear it lock in place. Same thing on the other side. Over the pins, swing inward, it locks in place. And these footrests are fully adjustable and with comfortable heel loops. All right, now this transport chair is awesome because you've got these handbrakes. This is absolutely key. So imagine if you're going down a slight incline or a hill or even just bumpy terrain. Now the person, the companion, can control that speed and keep the transport chair and the user safe. So these come with our handbrakes, which have these very comfortable comfort molded hand grips and our patented feather touch brakes. So just pulling up on these handbrakes controls the speed, controls those brakes. So you can slow it down or control this transport chair, and most importantly the user if you're going down a slight incline. And then they also lock in a parked position, so you just gently push down on those handbrakes and now your transport chair is parked and locked. Now you can also use these wheel locks to lock the transport chair, but sometimes it's so convenient to have those parking brakes right here. So this transport chair is ideal for indoor and a lot of outdoor use. So it comes with 12-inch rugged wheels, ideal for bumpy terrain, grass, gravel, making the ride so much easier for the user, and then those front 8-inch wheels. Right, folding this transport chair up is so easy. You just pull up on these tabs here and it folds down the back, and then you just remove the footrest by pulling up on the lever. And then to fold it up, just pull up on the upholstery. And now it's compact, folded, so easy to carry, very lightweight, great for traveling and going lots of places. We also have the user guide. So this comes with all of the transport chairs. It's a great reference for assembly, care use, safety, and most importantly, our customer service information, so you can contact us anytime.